all jammed up on your winch. Right? You're on that same tack for 4 or 5 hours. You don't want to tack to switch over and back again. You can tie a line with what's called a, let me get rid of this first, with what's called a rolling hitch.
Right.
So this is, yeah, take the pressure off. See, I got it right here. There we go. There. So this is the one going up to the jib sheet. You tie this on here. It's called a rolling hitch, and basically it's like we did before. You go. You have the line. You go under once, under twice, right, like so, and then you cross over and go above the knot under a third time, like so. Then you harden it all, like so. Now what'll happen, the harder you pull that, let me get this tight now, and you got to make sure this is lots long enough here. The harder you pull it, it just keeps pulling until it locks into place. Now you can pull that line back to another winch, ease this winch, okay, unfoul it, put it back on, harden it up.
I've seen our skipper do that.